Hi viewers, what's up? This is Mohammed Sajid Hassan. You're watching Sajid's Take. So here in this video, I'm going to talking with about how you can increase the speed of your internet by your mobile data a bit more. So what's that trick? To know about that, you need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting this video, there are a request. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, first of all here we need to create another APN to do this. So for that, first of all you need to go to in the settings of your mobile phone from here, as you know how you can do it. So now after that, go to on this SIM card and mobile networks, and from here select your SIM by which you want to do this. So in this case I select my Airtel. So here from now go to on this access point names, click here, and here you can see I have already created this. So here from just click on this new APN or create APN, whatever it is. You must have to create your own APN newly. So here in this case, now go to on this, I just open my this new APN from here, and here after that here you can see these all are my things. Name, in the first name here you need to type here 4G beta, and then in the APN you need to type here 4G beta testing, and then leave everything as a blank, and here go to the down to the below, and here from you need to go to on this APN type. This all are the APN type will be default, comma MMS, comma ACUPL, comma HIPRI, comma FOTA, and this is CBS MXCS. And now this is the APN protocol. So from here you need to select this IPv4/IPv6. So here this is the APN roaming protocol, also you need to select this IPv4/IPv6, and here the bearer, this is unspecified, you need to make it as a LTE. So here from, and if you don't get this LTE here, then you just select this unspecified. So in this case I just select this LTE. So this all are thing. Now go to on this MVNO type, and from here you needn't to do anything. So here after that click on this move, and here from click on this save, and it's already saved. And here in the first time it will be looks like that. So from here just select your this APN here, just click here, and it will be selected your this APN as the 4G beta testing. But here after just making those tasks, here from you need to do another task to make it active. So for that, here you need to go to in the Google Play Store, and from here you need to install something like 4G LTE only mode. So here you need to install this in your mobile phone. Now click on this open from here, and here you will get this icon here. So click on this icon and it will take you in this page. So from here just click on this update and click on this refresh, and once it will be refreshed and you will get here some SMSC. That time you think that here your data is now you will get some bit speed more, and after that you can delete this 4G LTE this app from your mobile phone, and after that it will work. So here guys, this is the thing by which now you can also use it to get more speed in your Android mobile phone, and this is the thing. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, I hope you all enjoy this and understand it properly, quietly, that what you have to do and what will happen after that. So guys, this is the thing. No more today guys, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.